It's a multifunctional transfer card, which is especially suitable for the emergency room, the gastroscopy room, and operation room accessory.
Okay, let's look at the main support of the bed body. It is made of high-quality steel and partial aluminum products, which ensures it is able to achieve better load-bearing effect.
And the thickness of our main load-bearing steel material is not less than 3 mm. The net weight of our bed is more than 80 kilograms, and it has passed the test that can withstand twice its own weight, which means our transfer card can load the patient with about 160 kilograms.
And the guardrail and bedboard are made of new materials, PP particles with one-piece molding. It has ensured that the bedboard is durable and beautiful.
Yes, and quality problems such as uneven color, substandard softness and hardness caused by the material or second-hand recycled material will not happen to our car.
And at the same time, the guardrail can be fixed and placed at multiple angles. And the angle with horizontal bedboard can be fixed by plus or minus 90 degrees and 180 degrees.
Yes, and now it's 180 degrees.
Yes.
When we place it horizontally, like this, the maximum load-bearing capacity is about 10 kilograms, which is convenient for patients' arm or small medical equipment. For example, the infusion pump to place temporarily during the infusion process, like this. And there are stickers on the side,
yes,
outside of the guardrail, right, Rose?
Yes. There are stickers here on the guardrail. It shows more detailed function of the card. Yes.
Okay, and this is our client's favorite models because we add many detailed design in it. For the four corners of the bedboard, we provide with a hose, which is convenient for nurse to hold during the pushing process tightly. This is our client's favorite model because we add many detailed designs with it. And distributor customers in Philippines markets are buying this model faithfully every month.
Yes.
And now, let's focus on the other side of our bed. Please focus on the back. The back lift is controlled by the high-quality silent gap springs, which is for adjust the different angles like this.
Yes, and it can realize step-less lifting, and the angle range is between 0 to 70 degrees. The silent gas spring has undergone 25,000 lifting tests, and there is no leakage of oil or gas.
The backplate support frame has a reasonable structure, and the force is distributed to multi-points to bear, which is conducive to carry more and force, reducing the probability of failure, more stable to use. And now let's put them back.
The guardrail has a groove design to facilitate puncture or prevent the catheter from slipping during infusion and other actions, and facilitate the drainage of infusion. You can see the groove here.
Yes. This part.
Yes.
This is one of our detailed designs also.
Yes. The groove.
We can put infusion tube.
Yes. Okay. And the fabric of the transfer measure is polyester.
The mattress is made of polyester. And the polyester is used inside and outside. The surface of the mattress is waterproof. Waterproof from the outside to the inside and breathable from inside to the outside. And today we also have prepared the water to pretend the medicine liquids during the medical process. Now we just
put the water on the measure. You can see it is waterproof.
Can you see that?
Yes.
And we just the tissue clean it.
You can see it is very easy to clean.
Nothing left.
Yes. And there are four corners are equipped with zippers. Let me show you.
The mattress is equipped with 4 zippers.
Yes.
The first one,
the
second one,
and the third zippers.
And here is the last one.
Yes, there are totally 4 zippers.
And the outer fabric can be washed with water, and the inner core material is polyurethane foam, which will not be deformed and crushed after long-term use.
In addition, the mattress cover has a 3-segment structure.
Yes.
And totally 4 durable belts are designed on both sides. You can see 4 belts.
4 belts here.
Okay.
so that the mattress will not slip out of the hand when the nurse transfers the patient.
And we can customize the thickness of mattress if you need.
That's right. We can customize the 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 10 centimeters also. Now let's turn around the transfer part to show you the other functions. Yes, and under the backboard you will find a metal rocker here for control the height of our bed. And now let Rose and me to show you how to adjust the height.
Yes. Let me sit on the couch now. You can see that my feet can touch the floor now, and gently start to adjust the height.
Okay, we will show you how stable is it. And by the way, the rocker is with the overload protection function, which means it is not easy to be broke.
Yes. Yes, and now the bed reaches to the not highest.
Not the highest way. Can you feel something, Rose?
Very stable.
Yes, which means we can make sure the staples during the transfer. Okay, now it's the highest position.
Yes, now the bed reaches to the highest position. You can see that my feet are at a certain distance from the ground.
Yes, and the rocker handle is 2-stage design. You can be stored and hidden under the bed when you are not use it, like this way, or even like this.
And what important is that it has the fifth ground center at the bottom.
This way. And it is designed for control the forward direction of the bed during the transfer process. When the fifth wheel in the center is not in use, the bed can travel freely. When it is not in, which means it is not in a straight state.
Yes, when in use, effectively control the forward direction, which can overcome the inertial force during transportation, and the bed body will not shift to the left or right, make the transportation process safer. Let us show you.
Now is first we unlocked our transfer cards.
Yeah.
Now we make sure the wheel tip put. When we not in use our transfer cards, the transfer card's direction can be freely traveled. But when our fifth wheel is in use,
yes, it can only go forward
like this. You cannot move to the left or right side. Yes, the fifth wheel used in the fuel cramped when steering, and the steering angle is smaller and easy to control.
Well, that's all for our multifunctional transfer cards. You can check from the screen. These are our transfer cards using in hospital. Hope you like it.